Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I'm working on my December daily, day number 27. Wow, we're on the home stretch now. I can't believe it. December's almost over. So this is going to be a simple page, quick. I'm a little bit behind. Today's actually the 28th. But, you know, just first chance I had to do 27. So 27 is yesterday I received this card in the mail from my parents. So it was, you know, took a little bit longer. My mom had emailed me and thought it would be here before Christmas, but somehow it got here yesterday. So you know how that goes with the mail. You never know how it's going to go, right? So I have some background pieces that I'm going to put down first. Just some bits and pieces I had in scraps I had sitting here on my table. So I'm going to go ahead and use them on this page and then go from there. This card is a good size, so it's going to take up most of the page. So I'm just using some of my art glitter glue and getting this down. But yeah, it should be a quick page. So I hope everyone had a great day and is having a great weekend. And after Christmas, you know, type holiday time. So yeah, just some pretty bits here. This piece right here is actually came in Happy Mail. So during the month of December, really pretty kind of pinkish colors with snowflakes on them. And it looks like they might be from a magazine, I'm just guessing, but really pretty. So I figured why not use them in my December daily. I received them in Happy Mail in December. So, and these were from Laura. So cool, right? And pretty. So I'm working on this paper here is the Rit dyed, like burgundy Rit dyed paper. And then this is that Russian menu, what's left of it that I'm using here. I thought it was pretty with the reds on it. It was a, like a little Russian menu booklet that I had that I showed in the beginning of my December daily pages here. So just been using that as a background also. And I am not, like, you can see these are just kind of torn pages. I didn't try to make them perfectly, you know, cut or anything. So just a scrappy bits. So I hope everyone is enjoying the December dailies. And if you didn't do it this year, maybe you'll do it next year. Maybe you were inspired by me or someone else. So I've really enjoyed it, and I want to do it next year too. And I already have my book ready for next year, and I will show you. It's pretty cool how this front section here for this year has filled out, and the second section, I'll show you the difference at the end when I get all of, you know, the pages done through December 31st. It's so cool how they've expanded, you know. It's really quite amazing that just adding things on a page every day, just gluing, you know, because they're flat, you wouldn't think it would make that much of a difference, but it really has expanded and has really been a good experience for me to see how much it has expanded. It's quite amazing. So I think I have just a little bit of art glitter glue left in here, but I think I can make it through today. I checked my Amazon. I have it ordered on Amazon and checked. I thought it was going to be here today, and I checked a little while ago, and it says it will be here tomorrow on Sunday. So kind of strange to get an Amazon order on Sunday, but I have received Amazon orders before on Sunday. So I guess I'll receive this one on Sunday. So on these pages I've been using, I just used for the first time these red numbers. I think they're really pretty. I'm so glad I got them. And I had picked these up at a thrift store when I saw them. And I saw that it had numbers and they were red. I thought it would be really cool in here. So I plan on using these for the rest of December, except for day 30. I have a little flashcard with the number 30 on it. So I'll be using that on day 30. And I'm just putting a little glue on. I don't know how old these are, how old or new or whatever. I just have no idea since I got them in a thrift store. So I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to put this number right down here. Something a little different. This one I have at the top. This one I'll have at the bottom. But yeah, I just have a flashcard for 30, and I'll use these for the rest of December, I think. So I really think they're cool, and I like them. I like how they look on the pages. Really awesome. So cool that I found them at the perfect time, right, to use them. Because there's not enough for the whole month of December. There wouldn't have been enough, but there's enough for the last few days. Hopefully, I have enough for the last few days. But 26, 27. Let's see. I've been putting the, I might put some stickers here at the bottom of this card. Just because it's a big red blank spot. And I might put something right here to join these two pieces together. Let's see what I have. I'd like to use these two deers because I only have 2 left. And would really just like to get rid of this page here of plastic. So let's see, do we want to put one of these up here? No, I don't want to block that star. Let's put one on here. Right on the page. I'm going to write in here, and I'm going to put the stamp from my parents', I'm going to put a couple pieces from the envelope here, from my parents' envelope inside, and then I'll write a little bit inside this card, so I'll have plenty of journaling or writing room inside here, and so that will be cool. A nice little wreath postmark here on the stamp. So let's see, I think I'll put that, I guess I'll put it, I think I'll put it right here. And then they have a little address thing here I wanted to put inside too, just because I want to. And I might put something else in there. I might write with a colored gel pen. Red, of course, would be perfect for this page. And let's see, I'm going to put this right here. That's their address. So that is cool. Now something else maybe on here or up here. Let me look at my stickers that I have left. Got a bunch here. Oh, I need to use this. I don't think I'm going to use this on this page though. Still can't use that. Maybe tomorrow. Let's see. I wonder if I have anything that would fit up here. Something small. I might not have anything right here. That's appropriate. You know, this is, you know, not like Santa Claus or anything. It's red. We've got a few snowflakes. Some little gold stars or snowflakes there. And the gold star. The manger scene here. So let me see if I have anything appropriate for this. I've got some of these here too, these stickers, and I think that's all of my stickers. Yeah, so let me see what's here. Oh, this is gold here. I don't know about this though. Let's see how it looks. Oh, okay, I like that. Just something small to fill up that space, you know. And then maybe something else here. This is kind of matches. It's kind of more bronzy than gold, but still I think it matches. Let's see. We've got reindeer, Santa Claus, Christmas trees. We've got a wreath. That might look pretty. You know what I've been wanting to use is this scarf right here. It's long and, you know, kind of, I wonder if I can put it here somewhere. Okay, just for the heck of it, you know. Just for the heck of using it up, you know. Okay, so I don't want any reindeer or Santa Claus. Put that over there. Here's some more Santa Claus. Just random little holiday tags. I wonder if I can just put a little teddy bear here. This says Happy Holidays. Or this one, oh, let me put this one here. This is cute. Or this will be more appropriate. It's poinsettia. I'll put that right here, right next to the scarf. I just want to decorate this bottom portion here. And yeah, okay, that's good. That's good for that. Anything else? Snowflakes. We've got the scarf and the mittens. That could go with this. I mean, this hat and mittens could go with the scarf. That might be cool. And they match their red and white stripes. So let's do that. And I should be putting glue on these pieces because they are from the old kit. My old scrapbook kit. And the mittens. Okay. Trying to do it two at one time. Not easy. Okay. All right, let's see if we can get these in the right position. So I'm going to do this one like this. And this one like this. Just kind of together, but not, you know. Alright. Hopefully that glitter glue will dry on there, won't be too shiny. Okay, so that's cute. Simple. I still need to make sure this doesn't get glued down together. So I'm going to write in there. So extra stickers over here. Let me grab my pen and write the day and dates like we have been doing every day. So this was for, see, today's Saturday, so this was for yesterday, which was Friday. And I think I'll write it, wonder if I can write it up here or Friday, December 27. Let me see, let me write on something and make sure this is continuing to write well. Okay, it's writing on there. This is a little shiny, so we'll see if it writes on here. I'm going to write Friday right here. Oh, it's good. Awesome. I was a little worried. Okay, there's Friday right there. I'm going to write December 27 out right here. This is the red glitter gel pen that I've been using. These gel pens. 2019. There we go. Okay, so tomorrow, or actually today's page, I'm going to put this last reindeer down here just to use it up. I just want to use this up. Well, I don't know. I don't like it there. That was right below that one. I guess I'm not going to use up that one. Okay, we'll save that for tomorrow. Okay, so simple page, just gluing it down basically. Basically the card took up the whole page, so it was an easy day. I used some stickers, couple. I could put some more stickers down here if I find some that I would like to put down there. I didn't like the reindeer down there. Let's put him back in my box. Maybe a wreath would look good down there. Let's try that. This is from the old stickers, the old scrapbook kit. And kind of join these pages together. I'm just using up bits and pieces basically at this point in the month. I want to make it pretty, but use some of these pieces. Something different as far as color would be cool here. Maybe just a couple of small bits here, small stickers, just to fill in these spaces. We've got a little ornament here, and what else? A couple more ornaments. Here's a blue one, a bluish gray one. What better way to use up your stickers than in your December daily, right? Okay, that's it for today. Kind of simple, I know, but pretty. A card that I wanted to keep from my parents, and decorated the bottom. So tomorrow I'll be working with this same color page on this side. So we've got 28, 29, 30, and 31. 4 more days, and then I'll bind this and we'll do a final flip through. It won't be detailed since you've seen the detail of journaling with me every day, but I'll just flip through, show you. Here's a look at the bulkiness so far, and we've got 4 more pages to do, like I said. So we'll be back with you for the 28th, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting!